I almost ignored DaVinci AI, not because it looked bad. Honestly, it's because every week another AI tool claims it'll save you hours, automate your work, and make you more productive. After a while, they all start sounding the same. So instead of believing the marketing, I wanted to answer one question for myself. Would I actually keep using this after the free trial ended? The first thing I noticed wasn't some mind-blowing feature. It was how quickly I could get from an idea to something usable. That's a bigger deal than it sounds. Most AI tools are great in demos, but the moment you try to use them for real work, they slow you down with too many options or outputs that need a complete rewrite. DaVinci AI felt different. I wasn't fighting the software, I was actually finishing tasks. That doesn't mean everything it generated was perfect. A few responses made me stop and think. I'd definitely change that before anyone sees it. And that's exactly how I think people should use AI. Let it handle the boring first draft, then step in with your own experience, your own voice, and your own judgment. That's where the final quality comes from. Here's the question I kept asking while testing it. Is this saving me time or just giving me more things to edit? Surprisingly, most of the time it was the first one. Whether I was brainstorming ideas, organizing information, or getting a rough draft together, I found myself spending less time staring at a blank page and more time improving something that already existed. Now, should everyone pay for it? I don't think so. If you're only opening an AI tool once in a while because you're curious, I'd honestly save the money. But if you're running a business, freelancing, creating content every week, or juggling multiple projects, those little time savings start stacking up faster than you expect. 30 minutes here, 20 minutes there. By the end of the week, you've gained hours you didn't have before. So, is DaVinci AI worth your money? For me, the answer isn't based on how many features it has. It's based on one simple thing. Did it become part of my daily workflow, or did I forget it existed after a few days? That's a test every AI tool should have to pass. I'm curious about you. If you tried DaVinci AI today, what's the first thing you'd use it for? Content creation, business tasks, research, marketing, or something completely different? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to see how everyone plans to use it.